Understanding AppleCare and AirPods.
Hello there. In this video, we're going to discuss a frequently asked question. Does AppleCare cover the cost of replacing lost or stolen AirPods? This is a crucial question to ask, especially if you're thinking about investing in AppleCare for your AirPods.
What is AppleCare?
To begin with, let's understand what AppleCare is. AppleCare is an extended warranty service offered by Apple that provides additional service and support coverage for Apple products. It's designed to protect your device and ensure that any technical issues or damages can be resolved quickly and conveniently. However, its coverage details depend on the specific product and region.
Does AppleCare cover lost or stolen AirPods?
Now, coming to the main question. Does AppleCare cover the cost of replacing lost or stolen AirPods? The answer, unfortunately, is no. As per the coverage details available till my last knowledge update in September 2021, AppleCare Plus for AirPods does not cover lost or stolen AirPods. The program offers protection for up to 2 years, which includes accidental damage protection, but it does not extend to lost or stolen devices. Remember, AppleCare's coverage may differ based on your region, so it's always a good idea to check the specifics of your AppleCare Plus plan for your particular location.
What to do if your AirPods are lost or stolen?
Even if AppleCare Plus does not cover lost or stolen AirPods, Apple still offers some support. If you've misplaced your AirPods, you can use the Find My application to help locate them. However, this requires your AirPods to be within Bluetooth range of an iOS device connected to your iCloud account. If your AirPods are irretrievably lost or stolen, you can contact Apple support for a replacement, but keep in mind that there will be a cost associated with this. So, to wrap up, AppleCare does not cover the cost of replacing lost or stolen AirPods. While AppleCare Plus does offer a range of coverage for your AirPods, loss and theft are not among them. However, Apple does provide services to help locate lost AirPods and offers replacement at a cost if they are permanently lost or stolen. We hope this video clarified the details of AppleCare's coverage for AirPods. Stay safe and take care of your devices.